How to issue an EMD. If you can price service with after pricing, for example, the first service in our PNL, if you add manual pricing via TT entry to the service, and then you can check saved pricing by TM entry. If you add form of payment to the service and saved pricing by this entry, form of payment, in this case, you can issue EMD with entry MDA like after issue. If you add price to manual price to service via EMD mask, you should issue EMD with MDP like print MDP entry. So let's issue EMD for the second and the third service. On this service, for this service, we saved pricing by PF entry and by TT entry. We can price these services and we can issue EMD with entry EMD A like after issuing slash service type plus service line, then plus another service type and another service line. If you want to send EMD to some address, you can add address after double dot and then add the mail. System tell me that operation of EMD issue is starting. I should go to the next page, F9. The first EMD is shown on the screen. You can see airline name, it's our test airline. You will see EMD number. You will see that this EMD is issued in connection with ticket. You will see coupon number of EMD and coupon number of ticket. You will see type of service. It's C, reason for issue code, 0GP, reason for issue subcode, and name of this service, one piece of extra baggage. You will see amount in letters and in numbers. You will see currency rate between currency of original city and selling currency. You will see equivalent in selling currency. And you will see what else, a form of payment and info about itinerary on the first flight coupon in ticket. Then, let's go to the next page. You will see the second EMD. Then system tell you that all EMD are printed. Go to the next page for open PNR. F9. Two EMD are issued. You will see EMD number and you will see that service status change for HI. How to open EMD? You can open EMD hash symbol and EMD number. you will see that this the day when EMD is issued, day and time, then reservation system code, PNR number in reservation system, PNR number in airline system, then info about agency code, info about city where this agency work, then info about agent reference number, terminal, and point of sale. Passenger name, EMD number is the same. Coupon status in EMD, then reason for issue subcode. How many services in this reason for issue subcode this passenger bought 2 meals, airline code, the day, then departure and arrival city, then amount, fare, then info about baggage. This AMD is issued for meals, so there is no baggage, of course. Status of flight coupon in AMD, and ticket number and flight coupon number in this ticket. With this flight coupon, associated flight coupon of AMD. Then, reason for issue code, reason for issue subcode, basic fare, total taxes, no taxes, total amount, form of payment, and amount of this form of payment. Then, if there is some endorsement text should be added in AMD, it will be here. For tour code should be here. It's the first AMD, and then let's open the second one. The second one is for another passenger. It's 0GP reason for issue subcode. It's baggage. One piece of baggage, you will see it here. Well, and that's all. Form of payment of this service is cash. If we open ticket, let's do it. ET hash symbol ticket number, you will see that there is some AMD associated with this ticket, plus 3 AMD. How to open list of these AMDs? Just go to the next page by F6 entry, next day. System will show you list of all AMD that was issued in association with this ticket. If AMD is associated with this ticket, you will see A code in the line of this AMD. If AMD was voided or refunded and deassociated from this ticket, you will see D code in the line of this AMD. In this display, AMDs issued in connection with ticket, you will see ticket number, flight coupon number of this ticket, flight, RBG, day, departure time, pair of airports. Then you will see a list of all AMDs, AMD number, flight coupon number in AMD, and status of this AMD, associated or deassociated from ticket. If you want to add some modification during issuing AMD, you can add AMDA. You can add X code to AMDA request. For example, let's issue AMD for the first service. Price of this service is 150 rubles. Let's do some modification. For example, let's add some discount to this price. You can add discount in TT entry, or you can open mask with after pricing MDA X slash type of service plus service line number, and if you want to send this AMD to some mail, you can add double dot and mail address. Okay, X for modification during issuing AMD. System open mask. Name of this mask is ticketing SVC. You will see PNR number, passenger number, and service line number. Then reason for issue subcode. Then fare of this service. Then you can add agency commission in this block for example, 10 rubles. It will be agency commission. You can add some discount, for example, 50% discount, and system will apply this discount to service fare. You can add plus then fee code, for example, SA, then amount, and then currency. If you want to add some tax or some fee to this pricing, then you can add some info in endorsement block. You can add some info in turcode. Then you can add some remark in AMD. Well, you did some modification, then click on enter because there is input on the bottom of screen. Information is saved, then path, so you should go to the next page. On this page, you can save this pricing by adding SV code to this block, and then open return to PNR. System will return you to PNR for adding form of payment. In my case, form of payment will be cash, so I should save my modification only by enter. System show me pricing of this service, reason for issue subcode, reason for issue code, passenger name, type of pricing. It's manual pricing because I did some modification in during issuing AMD. Then system tell me airline code, departure and arrival point, flight coupon number of this ticket, amount is, well, I applied 50% discount to 150 rubles, so now fare is 75 rubles. Fare calculation line, info about taxes, no taxes, then total amount and form of payment. I didn't change form of payment, so default form of payment is cash. Then info in endorsement block, I added in mask, and info in turcode block. Also, I add remark. Then path. Let's go to the next page, F9 key. System show me agency commission because I added it to mask. Then path. Let's go to the next page. System tell me that next operation is not possible to cancel next operation, so I go to the next page and finish issuing AMD, or on this page I can ignore my pricing and return to PNR. Let's go to the next page, forward. System tell me that it start to issue AMD. Go to the next page. Then system show us new AMD, and system tell me that all AMD printed, go to the next page. Okay, what about the last EMD, the last service? This service was pricing via EMD plus S4 via EMD mask. And system, when we filled this mask, system tells us that for issuing EMD, use entry EMDP. You can add in this request plus service line number, or you can open list of saved masks, star symbol EMD and non-printed, and print EMD from this list. It will be the same entry EMDP, hash symbol and line number. This one line number. System tells us that EMD is issuing. Go to the next page. Then system show us info about this EMD. All EMD are printed. Go to the next page. Okay, all EMD are issued. How to check pricing of issuing EMD? History pricing. Entry will be TM/S plus service line number. If I want to get pricing, history pricing of all services in PNR, it's not necessary to add service line number, just S like service, and that's all. But for EMD that was priced via mask, this entry doesn't work. This entry works with services with EMD that was issued with EMDA or EMDAX entry. For service that was issued via EMD print EMDP entry, you can check pricing by open EMD or in history of PNR. Let's check. Let's open history of our PNR, and you will see EI code is EMD issue, M mean mask. So in this operation, you will see that this EMD number was issued with pricing added via mask. Then let's open EMD from the fourth service line, EMD plus S service for line number. And you will see that this is EMD number. Then this info about when and who issued this document. And as this service not associated with any flight, there is no association with ticket. It's EMD type S, stand alone.